It has arrived. I've been waiting for this landing skid from my Hubsan H501s. There she is. And a lanyard harness for the controller. The reason I picked this, I have the Cyma legs which I was going to fit, but I want to be able to catch the Hubsan in the hand if I was out in a boat or that, and I wanted to just release the Hubsan and catch it on landing. I needed something a bit more solid than the Cyma legs that could just turn to the side. So will it work? Time will see. And because I would be trying to catch it by the hand, I said, right, I'll try and see can I mount the controller onto this buckle, which is a harness strap to leave the hands free. Here we are. This is the kit. Pair of legs. They look sturdy enough. Basic little gimbal, camera gimbal, like a GoPro. I have the SJ4000, so hopefully that'll fit. But I'm more interested in mounting the 808-16 keychain. Be lighter. And I give you extra rubber little mount, but I like this idea. They give you pins that you can slip through just in case these rubber mounts pop out, which I've seen them do. It's good. Screwdriver, screws and Velcro. This is the main frame that mounts on the legs and also mounts onto the Hubsan. You have these lads that clip on there around the body of the Hubsan. A bit more expensive than the Cyma legs, which are only a couple of euros, but it's probably what I need to be able to safely catch the Hubsan in flight. Everything fitted. The harness fits on handy enough. I just put a little ring there, like a keychain ring, to make it easier to fit, and the shade goes on fine. I put on a jumper and it fits over it grand, so I'd say that'll work out fine. Cam 4000 fits on this very nicely. Those little adhesive strips give it a nice tight fit. Doesn't come with any instructions. You remove the 4 inner body screws, and they give you the longer screws to connect the frame to the Hubsan. There's 2 little smaller screws that connect the legs to the frame, and the frames are a bit shaped on the correct way. My first attempt, I mounted it the wrong way and it wouldn't fit properly, so you have to have the manufacturer's name facing towards the camera but it's very secure, solid, and I see no problem of holding it in one hand. I've got my keychain fitted. I had a small tripod connection that came with the SJ cam, so it fitted onto the retaining clip of the 808 keychain, so that'll sit there nicely. Looking forward to trying that. It's the 808-16 version 3 D lens, 1080p HD, so it should give a good image. Next thing will be to test. But important items, how stable will it be? Flight time with the extra weight, because it does feel a little bit heavy, and how good this gimbal will be for the 808. Whenever the winds have abated outside, I'll take her out for a flight.